Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to fix connected without internet in your mobile devices. Don't forget to subscribe and like before we begin. Okay, let's dive in. So the first step is go to your device settings and then search for date and time. And make sure to enable set time zone automatically. After that, reconnect to your Wi-Fi. And the second method is to reboot your phone. Hold your power button and then tap on restart or reboot. Restarting your phone will fix most of the problems. Third method is to forget your known Wi-Fi and retype the password again to connect. To do that, go to settings again, and this time, go to Wi-Fi settings, and then tap on your Wi-Fi, and at the bottom part, tap on forget Wi-Fi. Now, reconnect to your Wi-Fi by typing the password again. Now the last method is to assign static IP address to your Wi-Fi. To do this, go to Wi-Fi settings again, and here, tap and hold your Wi-Fi, and select modify. Press the arrow down to see more options, and then tap on IP settings. Set this to static. Scroll down, and then you can see your IP address. Just copy your IP address, but you should change the last three numbers. So for example, mine's 192.168.1.128. I'm gonna change it to 192.168.1.160. And then now, save it. Now this method will only work for some devices, and as you can see, it's not working for me. And it depends on your Wi-Fi as well. So I'm just gonna put it back to DHCP. Well, I hope this one helps. See you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.